So for those of you that have not actually started the Monad testnet, probably because you're having one issue or the other, or you are confused, you don't know how to get started, then I got you covered in this video. So this is actually a simple and complete step-by-step video guide on how to get started, ranging from the different ways you can get the test token, and then on how to start participating on different protocols on the Monad ecosystem. So to get started, all you just need to do is to go to the description of this video. You are going to see the first link there. So once you click on the first link, which is the testnet.monad.xyz, it's actually going to bring you to this interface where you are seeing on my screen. So ordinarily, I was supposed to be making this video using my PC, but for the sake of that doesn't have PC, that's why I'm using my mobile phone, right? So that they will not give any excuse of not having a PC to start the testnet. So the very first thing we will need to do is to scroll down, and mind you, I'm using Maxis browser. You can also turn it to desktop mode, right? How do you change it to desktop mode? Come up here, scroll down, and then here you are going to see that is on desktop mode, right? So if yours is not, you can consider turning it to desktop mode. So once that is done, then come down. The very first thing you want to do is to connect your wallet. So come down, and you are going to see this place where you have connect wallet. So go ahead and then connect your wallet and connect with MetaMask. You can also use your Phantom wallet, but let me go with MetaMask, right? Go ahead and connect my wallet, right? You can now see my wallet address is connected here, right? You can see it right away here. So we are done with the first thing that we need to do. The next thing, which is the most difficult aspect of this testnet, is getting the Fuacet, that is the testnet token. And without it, we cannot continue doing the testnet because we will not have any token for gas fee, right? So I'm going to be showing you 3 simple ways that you can actually get the Monad Fuacet and then get started. So the first one we are going to be looking at is swapping your Sepolia ETH to Monad, right? So how do you do that? If you have been doing testnet, then definitely you will know about Sepolia. So all you just need to do is to go over to Multipli Finance using the link in the description of this video as well. So all the links I'm going to be talking about will be in the description of the video. So once you head over to Multipli Finance, come here and connect your wallet address. You can see mine is connected already. So what do you need to do? First here, this up where you have bridge, you can see is on ETH. So click on it. It's going to show you all the tokens you have on ETH. So you select it, then come down. Remember, is on Sepolia. Is Sepolia here, right? So if you click here, make sure it's on Sepolia. You can see a lot of other test token here, but leave it on Sepolia, right? Then come down. When you come down to, this is where we are sending it to. You can see by default is on Arbitrum Sepolia, but I don't want to bridge to Arbitrum Sepolia. So click on it, scroll down and look for Monad testnet, right? So take your time and look for Monad. Now you can see it down here, Monad Sepolia. So select this Monad Sepolia. So basically what we are doing is that we want to bridge our Sepolia from ETH network to Monad network. So come here, input the amount you want to bridge, right? I have already done this before now, but let's say I want to bridge 0.02. Then you come here, click on bridge. Here you can see I have bridged my Sepolia from ETH network to Monad network, right? So this is the first way you can get the test token. Remember, we are not done. So once this step is done, then what we need to do is to go and swap the Sepolia to Monad token. Remember, what we just did now is to bridge our Sepolia from Ethereum network to Monad network. So in Monad network, we are still having Sepolia. So we need to convert that Sepolia to Monad token. So to do that, we are going to be using Ambient Finance. It's one of the protocols on Monad Testnet. So once it brings you to Ambient Finance, which is monad.ambient finance, right? The first thing you need to do is to connect your wallet here. You can see my wallet is connected. After that, come down to where you have trade. Once you are on trade, make sure that it is on swap. Don't go to limit or pool for now. We want to do swap first. So once it's on swap, come here where you have ETH. Now you are going to see the ETH Sepolia. Look at it here. This is the one I just bridged now from Multipli Finance. So I'm going to select it because I want to transfer it to Monad token. So down here, which token, you must make sure is on Monad, which is MON. Then put the amount you want to bridge. If you want to bridge all, you can put max. It's going to load up and show you the equivalent you are going to be getting in Monad. So you can see this amount now will be giving me 0.06 Monad token. So I'm going to come here and click on approve, and then approve the transaction on your wallet, and then you will now be having the Monad token, which you are going to be using for the testnet, right? The second way you can also get testnet is by visiting this particular Telegram bot, right? The link will be in the description of the video as well. So once you visit this bot here, you can see that there is a list of faucets that you can actually request for, but we are much interested in Monad, so we are going to select Monad, which is the first one here. So I'm going to copy my wallet. I have done this before now, and you do this once every 24 hours. So I'm going to paste. The wallet already use Monad Testnet Moon Faucet today. Try again in the next 5 hours. So because it's not up to 24 hours time, so I can't request for another one. So I need to wait for more 5 hours. So but for you that is trying it for the first time, it's going to go through and they will give you about I think 0.0 something Monad. So this is another way you can get the Monad Fuacet, right? So once we are done with that, we'll come back to this our main interface here, that is the testnet platform. So another way you can also get testnet is by coming here on this platform here. You can come here, paste your wallet address here, check this bot, and then click on get testnet moon, right? But the problem is that this one doesn't work all the time. So once all this is done, then the next thing we need to do, the main testnet itself. So just come here, starting from this fantasy top, come to fantasy top, click on play, and once it brings you here, just come to where you have register and play for free. So once you get registered, then start playing this card, right? Then let me go back and show you something again. So coming back here, scroll down. After this fantasy top, just come down. You can see my wallet has disconnected, but that doesn't matter. So you can see make your first trade, connect your wallet to start trading. So you can now start trading these stuffs here. There are 3 main tokens here that you need to trade. This is one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. Now if you look at up here, you can see that they are telling you that one DAC is equal to 0.0673 Monad token. Remember, you don't have a lot of Monad test token, so you come here and put the amount you want to use. So for me, what I did, in order to manage my Monad token, you can say you want to use 0.01 or 0.2 to buy this main token. So come here and click on buy DAC. It's going to prompt you to confirm the transaction from your wallet, and done. You have done the first task. The same thing come to the second one here, which has to do with Hearts of Moyak, right? Come here, you can see one Yankee is equal to 0.000733 moon token. So come here again, input the amount you want to use to buy. You can decide to say you want to buy with 0.02. Remember, we are just managing our Monad Fuacet because we don't have much. So come here again, click on buy. The same process, approve it on your wallet, and that is done. So do the same thing on this third one, which is the last one here, and then you have completed these aspects. Then the next thing you need to do, let's come down. If you see here, you can see there's a lot of projects that have been built on Monad. So what you are expected is to be testing all these projects. Go and be testing them. If I come down, let me show you here under this app hub, right? You can see a lot of them. There are so many. You might not even be able to do all, right? So all we are expected to do here is to go and be testing all these projects that have been built on the Monad ecosystem. So you need to go and be test running them. To get this done, I have come up with some of the tasks that you can be doing on a regular basis. Remember, you can't do all of them. There are so many, and most of them are not even functioning properly. But these ones here are the ones I have done, and they are working very, very well. So you can start with these ones. They are up to 9 in number. So if you can be testing about 9, then you are good to go, meaning that you are positioning yourself for the airdrop. So the first one here has to do with Narwhal Finance. So this is the link. All this link will also be in the description of this video. So when you visit this link, which is testnet.narwhal.finance, right? First of all, connect your wallet as usual. So once you connect your wallet top here, come here and select some pair. It's just like futures trading, right? You can see that this is BTC USDT pair, and you can see that the price of BTC is going down. So you can come here and predict that the price will go down, but if you think it will go up, leave it on long. Then you come here, put the amount you want to buy with, and then here where you are seeing connect is because I didn't connect my wallet address. So go ahead and buy, and then the trade will execute, right? So once this one is done, come back again to the list of links that I have provided here. Select another one, go and just keep interacting. This one, if you have been following my channel, I have made video about this Multipli Finance. So if you have been testing it, then you don't even have to worry because you're already doing both the Monad Testnet on this Multipli Finance platform, right? So look at all the links here. You can come again, look at this one here. This is an exchange as well. So you can look at it. It's swap.bin.exchange. So I can also copy it, go again. So you come over to the platform here, and then first thing again, just go ahead and connect your wallet, right? So once my wallet is connected here, so what you are expected to do the same is to swap, right? You come here, select the token you want to swap. Let's say I want to swap my Monad to which other token here? I can say to USDC. And here you put the price. Let's say I'm swapping 0.01 Monad, right? And in USDC, look at what it's going to give me. If I increase it to maybe 0.03, so in USDC is going to be giving me 0.2. So you can come here, click on swap, and then confirm the swap. So I will need to approve this from my wallet, right? Confirm. Boom. Now you can see transaction submitted, and you can see this is the receipt here. So you can come here and click on close, right? So once this has gone through, we have successfully completed this one, right? So you go again, pick any of the platform here again. You can see there's a lot of them here. I can't be doing all of them right now, but it's very easy and simple. Just follow the guide I have given you. Once in a while, just come and interact at least 2 times, 3 times every week. You are good to go. So this is basically how you can start the Monad Testnet and then position for their upcoming airdrop. So follow the guide and then you are good to go. Thank you guys, and see you in my next update. Bye for now.